Greetings and thank you for tuning in to Stoic Ech'oes today. We are here to embark on an enlightening journey, diving deep into the realms of two profound philosophies that have shaped countless lives over centuries. Bear in mind, our intention is not to belittle or insult anyone, merely to explore and educate. So without further ado, let's delve into the intriguing worlds of Stoicism and Baha'ism. Imagine yourself standing at the crossroads of life, one path leading to a tranquil forest and the other to a bustling city. These paths symbolize the distinct mindsets of Stoicism and Baha'ism, respectively. Stoicism, like the serene forest, fosters an inner peace, advocating for control over one's emotions and actions. On the other hand, Baha'ism, like the vibrant city, promotes unity, equality, and the betterment of society. Stoicism, a philosophy born in the bustling streets of ancient Greece, encourages individuals to find happiness within themselves. It teaches that virtue, the highest form of goodness, is the sole path to happiness. Stoicism believes in accepting the world as it is, focusing on what one can control and letting go of what one cannot. It's like being in the eye of the storm, remaining calm while chaos swirls around. Contrastingly, Baha'ism, a faith that sprung from the heart of Persia in the 19th century, emphasizes the interconnectedness of all people. It propounds that every individual has a role to play in the betterment of society. Baha'ism, thus, is like a tapestry, each thread representing an individual, and it's the collective effort that creates a beautiful pattern. Switching to a Stoic mindset, however, can be a transformative experience. It's akin to building a fortress within your mind, impervious to external chaos. It encourages self-discipline, resilience, and emotional intelligence. A Stoic understands that success isn't defined by external factors, but by the richness of their character and the virtuousness of their actions. In the grand scheme of life, Stoicism can be a guiding light, helping you navigate through storms with a steady hand and a calm mind. It teaches you to embrace challenges, to learn from them, and to grow stronger. It's like being a tree, standing tall amidst a storm, bending but never breaking. Remember, every philosophy or belief system offers a unique perspective on life. Stoicism and Baha'ism are no different. While Stoicism encourages inner strength and self-reliance, Baha'ism promotes unity and collective growth. Both have their merits, and choosing a path depends on personal preferences and life experiences. And with that, we come to the end of this enlightening journey. Thank you for sharing your time with Stoic Ech'oes today. As we part ways, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, remember, life is a journey of learning, growing, and evolving. Stay stoic, stay peaceful.